Now let's see the third question. Third question is multiply the following fractions. Okay. And the third question, first one is 2 by 5 into 5 1 by 4. Okay, 2 by 5 into 5 1 by 4. So here you can see that there is one mixed fraction which is 5 1 by 4. So you have to first convert that mixed fraction 5 1 by 4 into an improper fraction. Okay, so let's do it first. That is 5 1 by 4 can be written as 5 into 4. Okay, cross multiplication 5 into 4 plus numerator 1 divided by denominator 4. Okay, so what is 5 into 4? 5 into 4 is 20. 20 plus 1 is 21 divided by 4. Okay, so you will get 21 divided by 4. Understand? Okay, so you got the answer as 21 divided by 4. But our question was actually what? 2 by 5 into 5 1 by 4. So it will turn into 2 by 5 into, instead of 5 1 by 4, you can write this 21 by 4. Okay, you can write this 21 by 4. Now, multiplication of two fractions. How will you do it? Just multiply the fractions numerators together and then the denominators together, so that you will get 2 into 21 divided by 5 into 4. And now you can see that both numerator and denominator have got a common factor, that is 2 and 4 have got a common factor which is 2. Okay, so 2 into 21 can be written like this. Now 5 into, instead of 4 you can write it as 2 into 2. Okay, so that these two will get cancelled and you will get the answer as, in the numerator, that is 21. There is 21, and then what about denominator? You can see 5 into 2, which is what? 10. So you will get the answer as 21 by 10. Okay. Now you can see that this 21 by 10 is an improper fraction. So you have to convert it into mixed fraction. So let's do it. 21 divided by 10 to 21. Okay, so how will you write it? Write the quotient first, then the remainder, then the divisor. Okay, that is 10. So you will get the answer as 2 1 by 10. Understand how you are doing this? So that's all about the first one. Now let's see the second question. Okay, second question is what? 6 2 by 5 into 6 2 by 5 into 7 by 9. So this 6 2 by 5 can be converted into improper fraction first. Why? Because this is a mixed fraction, so it should be converted to improper fraction first. Okay, so how will you convert it? Just cross multiply this 6 into 5. Okay, and plus numerator 2 divided by denominator 5. Okay, so what will be the answer? What is 6 into 5? It's 30. 30 plus 2 is 32. So you will get it as 32 by 5. Okay. Now our question was 6 2 by 5 into 7 by 9. So it has now turned into, instead of 6 2 by 5, you can write it as 32 by 5. Okay. So 32 by 5 into 7 by 9. Okay. 32 by 5, 7. 32 by 5 into 7 by 9. Now you can just multiply the numerators together and the denominators together. So you will get 32 into 7 divided by 5 into 9. Okay. Now they don't have any common factors between them. So you can just multiply it and write the answer. That is, let's multiply 32 into 7. So you will get 14, carry 1, 21, 22. So 224. Divided by what is 5 into 9? It's 45. Okay. So you will get the answer as 224 by 4. So we got the answer as this 224 by 45. So this is again an improper fraction. So you have to convert it into mixed fraction. Okay. So let's do it. That is 224 divided by 45. Okay. Let's do 45 into 4. Okay. So 20, carry 2, 18. Okay. So you will get as 180. Okay. Now let's subtract this. That is 224 minus 180. 4. Then you will get here 4. Okay. So 44 as the remainder. So this 224 by 45 can be written as, first write this quotient 4, now remainder 44 divided by this 45 divisor. Okay, that is 444 by 45. Okay, 444 by 45 is the answer for this question. Okay, so that's all about the second question. Now let's see the third question. What is the third question? Third question is 3 by 2 into 5 1 by 3. Okay, 3 by 2 into 5 1 by 3. So here also you can see that 5 1 by 3 is a mixed fraction. So you have to convert it into an improper fraction. So first multiply, that is cross multiplying 5 into 3. Okay, plus numerator 1 divided by denominator 3. Okay, this is how you are converting it into improper fraction. So what is 5 into 3? It's 15. 15 plus 1 is 16. So you will get it as 16 by 3. Okay, now 3 by 2 into 5 1 by 3 will turn into 3 by 2 into 16 by 3. Okay, replacing 5 1 by 3 with 16 by 3. Okay, so now how will you multiply this? Just multiply the numerators together. That is 3 into 16 divided by, what about the denominators? It is 2 into 3. Okay, now when you see the numerator and denominator, you can see that there are 3 as common factors. So you can just cancel it. So in the numerator there will be only 16 and 16 divided by 2. Okay, now you know that what is 16 divided by 2? 16 divided by 2 is 8. Okay, so answer for this question will be 8. Understand the third question? Okay, now let's see the fourth one. Fourth question is 5 by 6 into 2, 3 by 7. Okay, 5 by 6 into 2, 3 by 7. So here also you can see 2, 3 by 7 is a mixed fraction. So you have to convert it into improper fraction. So cross multiplying 2 into 7 plus what? Numerator 3 divided by denominator 7. Now, what is 2 into 7? 2 into 7 is 14. 14 plus 3 is 17. Okay, so you will get it as 17 by 7. Okay, now the question is 5 into 6, 5 by 6 into 2, 3 by 7. So, it will turn into 5 by 6 into. Instead of 2, 3 by 7, you can write this 17 by 7. Okay, now what we have to do, just multiplying the numerators together. So 5 into 17, and what about denominator? 6 into 7. Okay, now you can see that there are no common factors. There are no common factors between this numerator and denominator, so you have to just multiply it and write the answer. Okay, now what is 17 into 5? 17 into 5, 35. 85. Okay, so 85 divided by, what is 6 into 7? It's 42. Okay, now this 85 by 42 is an improper fraction, so you have to convert it into mixed fraction. Okay, that is 85 by 42. Okay, 85 by 42 means what? 2 times 84, 1. Okay, so what will be the answer? 85 by 42 can be written as, write this quotient first, then remainder, then divisor. Okay, so 2 1 by 42 will be the answer for this question. Understand? So this is all about the fourth question. Okay, now let's see the fifth question. Fifth question is 3 2 by 5 into 4 by 7. This is the fifth question. 3 2 by 5 into 4 by 7. So here we need to convert this 3 2 by 5 into mixed fraction. Okay, so we have to convert this 3 2 by 5 into improper fraction first. So just cross multiplying 3 into 5 plus numerator 2 divided by denominator 5. Okay, what is 3 into 5? It's 15. 15 plus 2. Okay, divided by 5. What is 15 plus 2? It's 17. Okay, so you will get 17 by 5. Now our question is 3 2 by 5 into 4 by 7. So this 3 2 by 5, instead of 3 2 by 5, you can write it as 17 by 5. Okay, we have converted it. So 17 by 5 into, what was the question? 4 by 7. Okay, 4 by 7. So 17 by 5 into 4 by 7. Now in order to do this, you have to just multiply the numerators together, that is 17 into 4, by denominators together, that is 5 into 7. Okay, so since there are no common factors, so you can just multiply 17 into 4. What is 17 into 4? 28 carry to 68. So you will get it as 68 by, what is 5 into 7? It's 35. Okay, so 68 by 35. So this is again an improper fraction. So you have to convert this 68 by 35 into mixed fraction. So you will get 1 here, 35, 3, 3, 3. Okay, so you have to write the quotient first, that is 1, then the remainder 33, then the divisor 35. Okay, so you will get the answer as 133 by 35. Okay, 133 by 35 will be the answer for this question. Understand? Now let's see the sixth one. That is, the sixth question is 2 3 by 5 into 3. Okay, this is the sixth question. 3 by 5 into 3. So here we need to convert this 2 3 by 5 into improper fraction. So you will need to just cross multiply it, that is 2 into 5 plus numerator 3 divided by denominator 5. Okay, what is 2 into 5? It's 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. So 13 by 5 you will get. Now this question 2 3 by 5 into 3 will turn into what? 13 by 5 into 3. Okay, so here you need to just multiply the numerators, that is 13 into 3 divided by denominator 5. Okay, now what is 13 into 3? 13 into 3 is 39. So you will get the answer as 39 by 5. Okay, now this is again an improper fraction, so you need to convert it into mixed fraction. So 39 by 5. Okay, 7, 35, 4. Okay, so write this 7 first, then this 4 divided by this 5. Okay, so 7 4 by 5 will be the answer for this question. Okay, easy. So now let's see the last question, that is seventh one. This is the seventh question, that is 3 4 by 7 into 3 by 5. Okay, here also I have to convert this 3 4 by 7 to improper fraction. So just cross multiplying 3 into 7 plus 4, that is numerator 4 divided by denominator 7. Okay, so what is 3 into 7? It's 21. 21 plus 4 is 21 plus 4 is 25. So 25 divided by 7. Okay, now our question will turn into what? Instead of 3 4 by 7, you can write it as 25 by 7 into, what is there? 3 by 5. Okay, in the question you can see 3 by 5. Now you need to just multiply the numerators together, that is 25 into 3. Okay, divided by 7 into 5. Okay, now you can see that this 25 and 5 have got 5 as common factor. Is it? That is 25 can be written as 5 into 5. Okay, now what is there? Into 3 divided by 7 into 5. Okay, and you can cancel this 5, so that you will get the answer as what? What is 5 into 3? 5 into 3 is 15. So 15 divided by 7. Okay, okay, so 15 divided by 7 is an improper fraction, so you need to convert it into mixed fraction. Okay, so when you are converting it, you will get 2 here, 14 here, 1 here. Okay, so you need to write it as quotient first, then remainder divided by the same divisor 7. Okay, so 2 1 by 7. Understand? So this is the question. So this is all about the third question. I hope you understood this. Okay, Now let's see the fourth question. Fourth question is which is greater? Okay, and the first question is 2 by 7 of 3 by 4. Okay, this is the first one, 2 by 7 of 3 by 4, and the second question is 3 by 5 of 5 by 8. Okay, this is the second question, and you have to see which one is greater among these two. Okay, so let's do the first one. First one is 2 by 7 of 3 by 4. That means 2 by 7 into 3 by 4. Okay, of means what? Into. So 2 by 7 into 3 by 4. Okay. So what you have to do here, just multiply the numerators together, that is 2 into 3, divided by denominators together, that is 7 into 4. Okay. Now you can see that both numerator and denominator have got 2 as common factor, that is 2 and 4 have got 2 as common factor. Okay, that is 2 into 3 divided by 7 into 4 can be written as 2 into 2. Okay, so that these two will get cancelled. Okay, and you will get the answer as what? You will get the answer as 3 by what is 7 into 2? 7 into 2 is 14. So you will get the first one as 3 by 14. Okay. Now let's do the second one. What is the second one? 3 by 5 of 5 by 8. 3 by 5 of 5 by 8 means 3 by 5 into 5 by 8. Okay, 3 by 5 into 5 by 8. So you can just multiply the numerators together. So 3 into 5 divided by 5 into 8. Okay, from here itself you can see that it have got 5 as common factor. So you can cancel it. So in the numerator there will be 3. So 3 by 8 you will get. Okay. So in the first case you got 3 by 14, and in the second case you got 3 by 18. And you have to determine which one is the greater one. That is our question, which is greater. Okay. So you will see that when the numerators are the same, in the first case you got the answer as 3 by 14, and in the second case you got the answer as 3 by 8. Okay, so in both cases numerators are the same. Okay, only thing is about the denominator. Okay, so for such numbers with numerators the same, the denominators, the numbers with the greater denominator will be the smaller number. Okay, when you're comparing this 14 and 18, which one is the smaller one? You can see that 8 is the smaller one. That means this will be the greater number. That means 3 by 8 will be the greater number. Understand? In these cases, we have got the first one as 3 by 14 and second one as 3 by 8. Okay. So if you are comparing both these numbers, you can see that numerators are the same. Okay, but the denominators you can see that this is greater and this is small. The numbers with the smaller denominator will be the greater number. Okay, so here you can see that 3 by 8 will be the greater number. Okay, 3 by 8 means what? This is 3 by 8. That means what? Which one? You can see second one is the greater number. That is 3 by 5 of 5 by 8 is greater number among these two. Understand what we have done here? Okay. So this is how you compare two fractions. Okay. Here both have got the same numerator. So the denominators, the numbers with the greater denominator will be the smaller number, and the numbers with the smaller denominator will be the greater number. Okay. So here 8 is smaller. So 3 by 8 will be greater number. Okay. So this is the case of first question. Now let's see the second question. This is the second question, that is 1 by 2 of 6 by 7 or what? 2 by 3 of 3 by 7. You have to determine which one is greater. So let's see the first one, that is 1 by 2 of 6 by 7 means what? 1 by 2 into 6 by 7. Okay. Now multiply the numerators together, that is 1 into 6 divided by 2 into 7. Okay, so what you will get? 1 into 6 is 6 divided by what is 2 into 7? It's 14. Okay, so 6 divided by 14 you will get. Now you know that 6 and 14 both have got 2 as common factor, is it? So you can write 6 as 2 into 3. okay, divided by what is 14? 14 can be written as 2 into 7. Understand? So that both these two will get cancelled, and in the answer you will get 3 by 7. Okay, 3 by 7. Understand? Now let's see the second one. What is the second one? 2 by 3 of 3 by 7. That means 2 by 3 into 3 by 7. Okay. So let's multiply the numerators together. That is 2 into 3 divided by 3 into 7. So here you will cancel these 3. So you will get 2 by 7 as the answer. Okay. Understand? So here you got 3 by 7 and here you got 2 by 7. That means what? You have to compare these two numbers, that is 3 by 7 and 2 by 7. So here the case is different. What is the case here? You can see that denominators are the same here. Okay, denominators are 7 for both. Okay, so in these cases the number with the greater numerator will be the greater number. Okay, so here 3 is greater than 2. Is it? Here 3 is greater than 2. So you can tell that 3 by 7 will be greater than 2 by 7. Understand? In the previous question the case was the numerators were the same. Okay, in that cases numbers with the smaller denominator will be the greater number. Okay, but in this case denominators are the same. For such numbers the greater number with the greater numerator will be the greater number itself. Okay, so here 3 by 7 will be greater. That means 3 by 7 comes from where? From this number, that is from the first number. So you can tell that 1 by 2 of 6 by 7 is greater in this case. Okay, 1 by 2 of 6 by 7 is greater. Understand how you are doing this? Okay, so that is all about the fourth question.